Dear students, this is the practice paper number 4 based on chemistry revision mixed up questions for class 10. And in this practice paper I have given total 5 questions based on the both chapters of chemistry from taught topics. The first question is, write a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the following reactions. First one is, solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water. So whenever there is a solution of something in water, means it is asking about aqueous solution. So you have to write the formula of barium chloride and then in bracket just beside it you have to write AQ, aqueous. Similarly, by using another state symbols you have to write all the formula here. Second, sodium hydroxide solution in water reacts with hydrochloric acid solution in water to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Second question, a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Also write the reaction. Also write the balanced chemical equation. A shiny brown colored element X, which on heating in air becomes black in color. You have to name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Also you have to write the balanced chemical equation regarding this statement. Third one is, why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity? Why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct electricity? Fourth, while diluting an acid, why is it recommended that acid should be added to water and not water to the acid? When there is a chance of dilution, then it is recommended that acid should be added to water and not water should be added to the acid. What is the science behind it, that you have to write. Fifth, do basic solutions also have H plus ions? If yes, then why are these basic? Do basic solutions also have H plus ion? H plus ion is always written as H plus aqueous ion because this ion is liberated by acid in aqueous solution. That's why it is always written as H plus aqueous. So question is asking that do basic solutions also have H plus ions? And if yes, if your answer is yes, then why are these basic? If base contains H plus ion, then why are these basic? Why it is a base? That you have to write. So this is all about of this practice paper. These are very easy questions based on your previous concepts. I hope all of you are able to solve all these questions very lightly. Thank you.